Good day mga kachings, another day, another blessing. So for today, I want to share with you ang ato ning gihimo last Saturday. So we have many cakes. So we have the same size, 8 inches diameter by 2.5 inches in height. Muna itong 5 orders ni Ate Mel. Ate Mel, thank you so much for trusting Chains Cake. And we have the second order, which is Sir Aga. Sir Aga, thank you so much for this birthday cake. And with special kakanin, which is 3-in-1. The A na to sa atong kakanin. Puto cheese, kuchinta, and sapinsa. Again, Sir Aga, thank you so much sa pagbalik-balik og order. And sa atong mga cake, itong flavor isa ra gyud natong wedding cake, birthday cake, are all choco moist cake. Kaya mo na gibalik-balikan sa atong mga customers. And then sa ato ikatulong nga order, which is the wedding cake, mo need last na tong delivery last Saturday. So I would like to thank to Ate Normelita for this order, and the cupcakes. Thank you so much sa also sa pagsalig nimo sa mo, and we're being part of this special celebration. And to all mga kasuki and mga kachings, thank you for watching and God bless.